Yeah, hi, in today's video we're going to be talking about WriteSonic, and we're going to be doing a full review of WriteSonic, and we're also going to be showing you how you can actually earn money with WriteSonic. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump across. We're going to do, for like I say, a full WriteSonic review, and we're going to start it right now. Okay, so we've come on to the WriteSonic website, and first of all I want to tell you exactly what WriteSonic is, but stay tuned right to the very end if you actually want to know how you can go and earn money with WriteSonic. Okay, and as you can see here, it's flashing across the screen. It says the best AI writer for creating, and then it's delivering so many different things: SEO content, product descriptions, blog articles, Facebook ads, all that sort of thing. So let's go and have a closer look at it and see exactly how it all works. So like I say, this is going to be ideal for people that are obviously content writers, content producers. That's people who are working online. They might be companies, they might be entrepreneurs, might own their own business, might have an e-commerce store, all those sort of things. WriteSonic is going to be the tool that they're actually going to be able to use to write a lot of their descriptions and actually blog articles, all that sort of thing. And they're going to be producing them very, very quickly, because this obviously does take a lot of time. So with WriteSonic, they're going to be able to produce this content much quicker and much faster. So even if you are a blogger, for argument's sake, and that is one way that obviously you can earn money, and WriteSonic will help you do that then. But I'm going to actually show you right at the very end, even if you're not a content writer, you can still earn money with WriteSonic. So make sure you stay tuned for that. WriteSonic is a brilliant tool for creating content of any sort. As it says here, it's trusted by over 1 million plus marketing teams, agencies, freelancers, and it's also got over 10,000 5-star ratings. Some of the things here that obviously the companies that have actually used it. WriteSonic is for everyone. As we've already mentioned here, like I say, marketing copy for blogs, essays, Facebook ads, Google ads, Quora answers. Another great way that you can obviously earn money with it is if you actually use Quora and actually drive people to products and services that you recommend. But you can do your Quora answers through here as well. Sales emails to increase clicks, conversions and sales as well. And like I say, writers, e-commerce stores, marketing teams and entrepreneurs can use WriteSonic. And here's a list of everything that WriteSonic can actually write for you. YouTube titles, LinkedIn ads, YouTube descriptions, landing pages, emails, text summaries, all that sort of thing. Okay, so how does it work? It says you've basically got to describe your topic with a minimum of 5 words. Specify the keyword that you want to actually try and rank for on Google, and you can choose from 25 plus options. So this doesn't have to be just English either. You've got 25 different countries, different languages that you can actually use. Then obviously it will generate you a high converting copy every time you hit generate, and it's as simple as that, guys. Just hitting a button and your words will be generated for you. Then you can once you publish it, you can publish it to your favorite platforms such as WordPress, Wix, Shopify in just a single click. So you can connect everything up here. So there is frequently asked questions here, and obviously these can all be asked if you're interested in actually testing out WriteSonic for your own business. I'll leave a link in the description below here. If you're enjoying what you're seeing so far, obviously also hit up the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more ways to make money. And we're going to tell you exactly how you can make money with WriteSonic, even if you're not a content writer, very shortly. So stay tuned. Now we've come to the bottom of the page here, and as you can see there's loads of different things here. So you do get some free tools. So you do get a blog idea generator, blog outline generator, blog intro generator, product description generator, and an AR art generator as well. That's all free actually. But as you can see at the bottom here, this is how you, as an entrepreneur or as someone who's looking to earn money online, you could earn 30% lifetime commissions as an affiliate to WriteSonic. Okay. Now, what this basically means is that you will obviously can promote and push WriteSonic out. Maybe you want to do a blog post about WriteSonic or a YouTube video like this about WriteSonic, where you're actually promoting it and actually showing its features and its benefits, etc., of how you can actually use it. Then if people actually sign up and they use an upgrade within the actual system, then obviously you will get a 30% of that upgrade, and you will get that for life. Okay, so as long as they stay a member, you could earn money through this. And all you have to do is click on the join the program button here, and then once you've done that, it will come through to your actual dashboard here as an affiliate. As you can see, I've joined as an affiliate, and it says here your reward for referring new customers get 30% recurring commissions for life. Okay, and then all you have to do is you've got your link here that they give you, which is a customizable link, and then you can just literally copy that and then share it. And they do give you Facebook and Twitter, but you could share it anywhere. Like I say, you could do your own blog about this, a YouTube video, or anything like that. Or maybe there's just people you could go on Facebook, friends that are on Facebook and maybe are in the Make Money Online groups or the Internet Marketing groups. And you could hit them up and you could say, go and try out WriteSonic for writing all your blog articles, etc. And then if they, like I say, if they actually sign up and upgrade, you are then going to get a commission every single month. Okay, trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch these videos next, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and then you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.